Hello viewers, India's 79th Independence Day is around the corner, so some special Independence Day sale will be available on Amazon Independence Day sale or Great Freedom Festival sale. Many people are planning to buy tablets during this period. Amazon's Great Independence Day sale or Freedom Festival will start on 1st August 2025. If you are a Prime member, in that case, you will get 12 hours early access for this sale. For the first time, a new tablet from Oneplus Pad will be launched. The name of this tablet is Oneplus Pad Lite. It is a massive 11-inch display tablet. Apart from that, you will get discounts on Apple iPad 10th generation and 11th generation, Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, and also on the FE model. There will be offer on Apple iPad Air with M3 chip. Also there will be offer on Redmi Pad 2. Also you will get on Redmi Pad Pro Wi-Fi variant as well as on 5G variant. If you want to buy the Wi-Fi variant, you can buy this tablet at around 16,000 or 16.5 thousand. Many people ask me about the price of Realme Pad 2. Currently the price of Realme Pad 2 is 16,000 rupees, but the best price of this tablet is around 13,000 rupees. Similarly, if you are planning to buy Realme Pad 2 Lite, in that case the best price for that tablet is 11,000 rupees. If you want to buy OnePlus Pad 2 in Amazon.in that case the best price for OnePlus Pad 2 is 30,000 rupees for the 128GB, and if you want to buy the 256GB variant, in that case the best price is around 33,000 rupees. Amazon sells Lenovo tablets. If you want to buy Lenovo Tab M11 with pen and 8GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage, in that case the best price would be 12,500 rupees. Also many people want to know the best price of Lenovo Idea Tab Pro with stylus pen. In that case the best price for that tablet is around 25,000 or less. So these are the pricing of some of the tablets. If you want to know the best price of any other tablet, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. If you like the video and ask your question, I will answer that question. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.